Dear students, welcome to class 5 English language class. We are doing verbs and today we are starting the topic tenses. This is video number 7 for the topic verbs. Now, what are tenses? Tenses are forms of verbs that tell us when an action takes place. They tell us about the actions taking place in present, past, and future. Let's see these examples. I run every day. Here, run is the verb and it is in present tense. I ran yesterday. Here, ran is the verb and it is in past tense. Ran is the second form of run verb. I will run tomorrow. So, here, will run is the verb that is in future tense as it tells about the action to take place sometime in the future. So, there are three tenses: present, past, and future. And each tense has further four kinds: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. So we'll start with the first one, that is simple tense. Now, simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express an action which takes place at the present time. So how simple present tense is formed? What is the structure of the simple present tense? That is subject plus first form of verb plus the object. Now, the simple present tense is used to indicate the habits or daily routine tasks, the regular events, the current situation, or general truths or facts. Daily actions like I brush my teeth and bathe, I eat my breakfast and leave for school, I return home, I play with my friends, then I finish my homework. So here, brush, bathe, eat, play, finish, all these verbs are in simple present tense. Now, we use S, ES or IES when the subject is in third person. Like that is he, she or it. For example, I spy. I is the first person. You spy. You is the second person. So we are using the first form of verb. She spies. She, he, she, it is the third person. So we add IES to the base verb. I do. Here, do is the base verb and I is the first person. He does. He is the third person. So we are adding ES. You carry the load. You is the second person and carries the base verb. She carries the load. Here, carries. We are adding IES because she is the third person. Now, let's start with the simple past tense. The simple past tense shows an action that happened in the past and is over now. And simple past tense is formed when we add the suffix ed to the base verb. For example, the children jumped into the river. So, jumped is the second form of jump verb and we are adding ed. He worked in Dubai last year. So, worked, we are adding ed to the base verb work. Irregular verbs do not add ed. They take different forms. For example, he ran last night. So, ran is the second form of verb of run. I swam. So, swam is again the past tense, the second form of verb. So, this is how we use the verbs in simple past tense. Now, let's see the simple future tense. The simple future tense is used to indicate an action that will happen, that is, after speaking, sometime in the future. And we add will or shall before the base verb. For example, I will watch television after I complete my homework. So, will watch is the simple future tense. I will be in grade 5 next year. So, will be is showing the simple future tense here. We can form negative sentences and questions also using verbs in simple tenses. For example, will we reach on time? He does not exercise every day. So, this is how negative sentences and questions are formed by using simple tenses. So I hope simple present, simple past and simple future tenses are clear to you. Thank you.